Hey guys, today we have a really important video because we're gonna talk about the topic how to keep your cryptocurrency safe in your wallet. Because right now there's lots of different hackers, lots of different shady websites trying to steal your crypto. That's why today we're gonna talk about one of the best companies that are keeping your crypto safe. It's called OneKey because this company is offering industry-leading hardware wallets. And actually I'm one of the users of their wallets. I have one right here. That's why in today's video I'm gonna check out all the features, all the utilities this company offers, and later I'm gonna show you actually how these hardware wallets work, and of course explain you why I personally chose this company and these wallets for my own crypto. So first of all, let's jump into the page to actually get familiar with the company and the concept of the hard wallets, because I know I have lots of new viewers on my channel from my analytics. So first of all, they have this tagline, open source crypto wallet trusted by millions, and this is actually a true fact because they have millions of users. As I mentioned, this is industry leading company with the industry leading products. And next up we have this really short explanation why you actually need to keep your crypto safe. So managing crypto assets can be a hassle no matter where you keep your cryptos. In centralized exchanges or to yourself, your worries about custody, hacks or phishing never end. Many wallets, instead of solving this problem, are making it all more complicated. And this is really fact because right now if you're keeping your money on Sexes, it's not 100% safe because we're going to talk about FTX, other small exchanges that actually failed, bankrupt or stole your money. That's why I think Sexes are great, I know, but still there is like, I would say 1 or 2% chance of you losing your money forever. That's why it's really important, as I mentioned, to find something like this because this is actually 100% safe. Again, not financial advice, but so far it's really safe. It's open source, it's hardware, and you actually own the keys, which is really, really important with crypto. Not your keys, not your crypto. Yeah, I thought about this phrase myself. Next up, we have some of the software solutions because first of all, of course, they have really great hardware, but also they have software because yes, there's lots of different hardware solutions, but what's really bullish and what's really great about this project and why lots of people actually choose to use OneKey solutions because they have really great software that comes with really great hardware, making it a really great solution for almost everyone watching my channel. So first of all, of course, really basic, you can track all your assets, all your cryptos. They have an app, they have a desktop version. Next up, they support all of the popular chains. I would say any chain you can think of, they have it, which is again really important because now we have new chains popping off every day. Next up, they offer this feature. We can actually track some of the leader wallets. For example, you can track Vitalik's wallet and see what he's buying, what he's selling. Next up, they offer this kind of a solution if you want to kind of organize different wallets all in one, for example, families. I would never use it, but maybe it's a solution for you. And lastly, of course, they have the hardware aspect, which is I think the most important and why actually I'm talking about this project and this company, because I think the hardware solutions are their like main thing. So next up, we have some of the things, what makes it different. Again, they have lots of big partners, lots of big companies are using. You can see your choice is the same as, for example, Meta. So Meta is actually using their solution. Of course, Meta is a huge company with lots of money, so of course they pick wisely. Next up, we have, as I mentioned, some of the solutions, why it's important. So again, they have lots of users. You can keep your assets like NFTs, cryptocurrencies, different chains. And of course, what's really important for us, it's the hardware wallet aspect. Because as I mentioned, I think hardware wallets is the safest option to keep your crypto. So you can see they're offering 3 different solutions. So they have OneKey Pro, they have OneKey Classic 1S. I have it right here on the table. Actually, it's so tiny. I have like iPhone Pro Max right here. You can see the size difference. You can see how small it is. It also has a screen. I will show you how the screen looks later. And they have OneKey Touch. And if you go to the shop, you can see they have different price points. For example, OneKey Pro is $280. OneKey Classic 1S is $100. And OneKey Touch is $250. And as usual, guys, if you use my link in the description, you are getting the best price possible to buy these wallets. So if you're buying, of course, use the link in the description. It also helps the channel. Let's get back to the page. So next up, they talk more about some of the hardware wallet features. So you can see your cryptos in your hands, which is again really important. As I mentioned, You own the keys, you own the crypto. Next up is really simple yet secure. As I mentioned, they have really great software, which is really easy to use. They have all the functionality you would ever need. They're adding always more, they're updating. And of course, this makes it amazing as a software wallet, but also as a hardware solution. Next up, 100% open source, which is of course always great to see. And lastly, end-to-end encryption. And we have some of the reviews of the users. And I'm also a user, so I can say my review. I think the hardware is great. It's really good quality, good build. But I think what is the main selling point for me is the software, because they have really great software on top. It's really easy to use. You can find everything if you're a beginner. It's really basic. You can find all the buttons. You understand what each button does. And also they have really great support, and also they have really great tutorials for everything. And I'll show you the tutorial how to set up your wallet once you get it. One more thing, guys, this video is not scripted, but I just scrolled down and I saw all the things I just mentioned just right here. So as I mentioned, beginner friendly, check. Next up, software and hardware. It's really great combo. Next up, the hub for all your cryptos, and ultra fast customer service. As I mentioned, they have really good service, because I had some questions before doing this video. They answered me like in minutes. So all of these things are really great for the beginners and also for people looking to keep their crypto safe. So now let's talk about the actual hardware wallet. So I have one right here in my hand. I actually can show you what goes in the package. So they have actually really cool packaging. It goes like in this Apple-ish store, like Apple-ish box, like really cool design. You get actually a lot. So we get, of course, stickers, because all the companies right now are doing stickers. Pretty cool stickers. Next up, you get these booklets where you can actually write in your seed phrase. So basically, once you set up your wallet, you are getting 24-word seed phrase. You can actually keep it safe. The only funny thing is they have this confidential written right here. Like basically, if someone steals it, they will see it's confidential. We also get the charger, which is also really big benefit in 2024. People are starting to not even put the cable. So we have a cable. It's actually USB-C, which is of course really great to have, because you don't want to have these old micro USBs or something like that. So you had all the basics, and of course we have the wallet. So once you get the wallet, first thing, let's turn it on. I'll show you how it looks. You can also see my camera setup. So let's turn it on. So this is the button. Look how thin it is, like super thin. I have like some boards behind my. So once you open it, you can actually select a language. So you have English, you have some Asian, Espanol. So for this one, of course, I would use English. So let's click English. And after that, you set up this wallet. But I think it's easier to show if we go back to the tutorial, because they have all the images, and I think it's better than this shaky images from my camera. So right here, we have the process. I will have the link in description, because after you buy it, we have a really great tutorial how to set it up. So we just turned on our wallet, as I showed you. Next step is going to be you creating your seed phrase, and you can select how many words. I believe you can select up to 24 words, and then you can write them down on this confidential notebook or any notebook. Again, remember, you need to keep this safe, as secure as possible, because you don't want bad people having your seed phrase. Next up, of course, write down the phrase, then you validate that you actually have the right phrase. Next up, you set your PIN code. Basically, you need to create your own password, like numbers. You can select, I think, up to 9 digits. I think, yeah, 9 digits. Of course, okay. And then, of course, download the wallet, connect the wallet to your desktop application or your phone application, and start using it. Again, really easy process. I think it's as easy as it gets. Again, I have all the links in the description, guys. So in my opinion, right now we have more and more people joining crypto. There's more and more scams. More and more exchanges are doing really shady practices. That's why it's really important to keep your crypto safe. And I think this is a really great solution. The pricing is not bad. I think like $100 for the device I have in my hands. It's a tiny device. It has USB-C. It has really simple controls. You can hide it. You can put it in the safe. You can put it anywhere, and your crypto is safe. And you can control all your crypto coins from app or from a desktop device. It's really easy. I think, again, really great solution, guys. If you're buying it, buy with my link, because this way you get best prices. So guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the product, about this company, you can ask me in the comments or join my free Telegram. It's in the description and top comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next time.